Hi, the problem number 8. A string ABCD attached to two fixed points A and D as two equal weights 500 Newton attached to it at B and C. So, this is the string A, B, C, D, it is given and it is fixed at 2 points, one is at A and another one is at D, and it has two equal weights, that is 500 Newton attached at B and C. The weights rest with the portion AB and CD. The weights rest with the portion AB and CD are inclined at an angles of 30 degree and 60 degrees respectively. These members are inclined at 30 degree and 60 degree respectively with the vertical. Find the tensions in the portions AB, BC and CD of the string. So, we need to calculate tension in this member. The inclination of BC with the vertical is 120 degree. This BC member inclined at an angle of 120 degree with respect to vertical. What we need to find? AB, BC and CD tension. So, TAB question mark, then TBC question mark, then TCD question mark. We need to find tension in all the members. So, the procedure is pre-body diagram, choose the method and solve the problem. Where we are going to write the pre-body diagram? Where more number of forces are acting. At B and C, more number of forces are acting. So, if I write the pre-body diagram at B, I will get BA and BC. So, in order to get CD, write another one pre-body diagram at C, you will get CD. Here we need to write two pre-body diagrams. So, write the two pre-body diagrams first. One is at B. The procedure is first select the point B, then write the connected lines as it is. Okay, these are the three lines. Then direction. These two members are subjected to tension. So, write the outside arrow. This will be TBA and this will be TBC. And this one is going acting downward and this will be 500. So, point to, line to, direction to, magnitude is over. Finally, what we need? Angles. For that, draw a plus mark. Okay. Now, write the angles. This BA line is making 30 with respect to vertical. So, with respect to vertical it is 30, therefore, with respect to horizontal it will become 60. Then BC line is making 120 with respect to vertical. The total angle here is 120. Therefore, remaining angle will be, the total angle is 180 degree. Out of that, if we deduct 120, you are going to get it as 60. Then this angle is 90 degree. So, this will be the pre-body diagram at B point. Then, like that, write the pre-body diagram at C point. First, write the C point, then write the connected lines. Three lines are connected. Then, write the direction. Here it is 500 Newton. First, write the direction. Since these two are subjected to the tension, so outside arrow. Then write the magnitude. This will be the 500 Newton. This will be TCD and this one will be TCB. Here TCB will be equal to TBC. CB will be equal to BC. So, then point, line, direction, magnitude is over. Then write the angles. For that, draw the plus mark. Then angle is given by, this CD line is making 60 with respect to vertical. This CD is making 60 with respect to vertical, therefore, with respect to horizontal it is 30. then this CB line is making 120 with respect to vertical, with respect to the opposite vertical, not the nearby vertical. So, this will be 120, then the remaining angle is 180 minus 120, that is 60. Then this angle is 90 degree. So, this will be the free body diagram at C point. So, once you write the free body diagram, then choose the free body diagram. How to choose? For that, count the number of unknowns in each free body diagram. Number of unknowns. So, here TBA and TBC are the unknowns. There are two unknowns. Here we have TCB, TCD. There are two unknowns. Now, which one we need to solve it first? Any free body diagram we can solve it first because it has equal number of unknowns. Any one you can solve it. So, I am going to solve the first free body diagram, this one. Now, we have selected the free body diagram, then choose the method. Which method you are going to choose? For that, count the number of forces. There are three forces, 1, 2 and 3 and two unknowns. If there are three forces and two unknowns, we can make use of Lami's theorem. So, by using Lami's theorem, write the Lami's equation, that is force divided by sine of the angle between other two forces. The force is TBA and divided by sine of the angle between other two forces. Other two forces are these two, angle between them is 60. That is equal to TBC divided by sine of the angle between other two forces. Other two forces are TBA and 500. Angle between them is 90 plus 60, that is 150. That is equal to 500 divided by sine of the angle between other two forces, that is from here to here it is 120 plus from here to here it is 30. 120 plus 30, it will be 150. Now, out of three parts, select any two parts in such a way that there should be only one unknown. Select the first part and the last part. Therefore, TBA you are going to get it as, just cross multiply 500 divided by sine of 150 multiplied by sine 60, that is equal to TBA you will get it as 866.03 Newton. 866.03 Newton. Then TBC you are going to get it as, so select the second part and the last part. So, TBC is the unknown, just cross multiply, you are going to get it as 500 divided by sine of 150 multiplied by sine of 150. You will get the value as 500 Newton. Now, once you get the value here, then go to the next free body diagram, then choose the method. For that, count the number of forces, 1, 2, 3. Then count the number of unknowns, 1, 2. If there are three forces and two unknowns, we can make use of Lami's theorem. So, by Lami's theorem, write the Lami's equation, that is force divided by sine of the angle between other two forces, force TCB, and before going to that, here we have already calculated, since TBC is equal to TCB, TBC is 500 Newton, then we can write, leave this one, we can write 500, that is TCB, divided by sine of the angle between other two forces are 90 plus 30, that will be sine of 120, that is equal to, the next force is 500 divided by sine of the angle between other two forces are these two, angle between them is 120 divided by TCD divided by sine of the angle between other two forces are 120. So, this part is equal, and here it is the unknown we need to calculate. So, select the last part and the first part or second part. So, I am going to select last part and the second part. Therefore, TCD you are going to get it as 500 divided by sine of 120 multiplied by sine of 120, you are going to get it as 500 Newton. We have calculated the forces in the member or the tension in the member BA, BC and CD, all the three members. That is all for this problem. Thank you.